you must be appearing for CLAT 2026. But do you have the exact resources that you can refer to so as to qualify this exam, or the books that you can go for to qualify this exam? Well, do not worry students, I Ankita Rawat. Today I will be guiding you regarding the resources and books that you can go to so as to clear this particular exam. So, number one, talking about your English section, since it is totally based on reading comprehension as well as vocabulary. So to develop both the skill set, you are supposed to read. Now read what? Reading newspaper is going to be highly beneficial. Indian Express as well as The Hindu are some of the most important newspapers that you are supposed to follow. Reading editorial sections of these newspapers can not just help you in developing your reading ability but also enrich your vocabulary. इससे आपको अपनी vocabulary भी improve करने में मदद मिलेगी and along with that आपकी जो reading speed है वो भी बढ़नी शुरू हो जाएगी. इसके अलावा न्यूज़पेपर को पढ़ के आपका जीके एंड करंट अफेयर्स भी ऑटोमेटिकली स्ट्रांग हो जाएगा. Apart from that, if you wish to strengthen your GK as well as current affairs concepts, so when it comes to current affairs, अड्डा 247 के पास monthly magazines आती हैं. Monthly current affair magazines जिसमें कि जितनी भी हमारी monthly important news होती हैं regarding different categories, all the categories are divided. So in that manner, you can easily prepare for your English as well as GK and current affairs section. So we can see that when it comes to improving our reading comprehension, be it the reading ability, be it the vocabulary and the analytical and inference skills, so for that we have number one and good source, that is going to be newspaper. When it comes to GK and current affairs, so for that again we have a very good source, that is Adda 247's current affair magazine. But what about legal reasoning? What about logical reasoning? And what about quants and computer basics? Well, for that students, we have a book महापैक. अड्डा 247 के पास पूरा एक महापैक आता है जिसमें कि आपके जितने भी सब्जेक्ट्स होते हैं क्लैट 2026 में, चाहे वह इंग्लिश हो और if it is legal reasoning, logical reasoning or even mathematics, all these things can be really beneficial for you all. So first of all that you are supposed to do is develop the skill set that is required through the sources that I have already mentioned, such as newspapers and current affair magazines, and buying the book is going to be highly beneficial for you all. The concepts that have been used in making these books are exactly extracted from the kind of pattern that comes in your exam. So एक exact pattern का based on latest syllabus and latest pattern, these books have been designed for you all. So if it is in English, so in English we have vocabulary and reading comprehension. That has been mentioned in our book that is included in the Mahapack. Along with that, the kinds of questions such as based on percentage and even the paragraph based questions, analytical questions that come in your quants are also mentioned in the book that is specifically for CLAT and quants and aptitude test. Then it comes to logical reasoning and legal reasoning. So the books provide you all the required information that is going to help you build up your concepts and that will eventually enhance your reasoning ability required for both the sections. So students, do not worry and do not hurry. You have each and everything, and all the resources that I have mentioned are 100% worth it. So do go for all these resources and make this work out for yourself. It is going to be a very big opportunity since you all have the collective resource in one particular place. You don't have to go here and there. You don't have to act confused at all. आपको सब कुछ जितनी भी चीज़ें चाहिए सब कुछ हमारे पास है. तो इन चीज़ों की मदद से आप अपना जो है प्रिपरेशन और ज़्यादा स्ट्रेंथन कर सकते हैं. So if we go for all the study material that we have, so हम कह सकते हैं कि हम जो है इस तरीके से अगर हम इन रिसोर्सेज को फॉलो करेंगे तो इंग्लिश में हमारी जो रीजनिंग एबिलिटी होती है, रीडिंग कॉम्प्रहेंशन एबिलिटी होती है, इन्फरेंस एबिलिटी होती है, वोकैबुलरी जो हमें चाहिए वो हमारी डेवलप हो जाएगी. करंट अफेयर्स में और जीके में हमें जो इन्फॉर्मेशन और जो स्टैटिक पार्ट होता है इवन वो हमारी बुक में कवर किया जाता है. क्वांट्स में जो एनालिटिकल स्किल्स एंड जो स्पीड एंड ट्रिक्स एंड टिप्स जो चाहिए होती हैं आपके एग्जाम में, उन्हें क्विकली क्वेश्चंस को क्विकली सॉल्व करने के लिए वो हमारी बुक में मेंशन किया जाता है. एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट द बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट्स रिगार्डिंग ऑल द segments that are required for your legal reasoning have been clearly mentioned, and how you can derive inference from those things is also exactly there. So with the help of all this information, I can definitely say and for sure that if you follow each and every book and the things that I have told you, it is going to be very easy for you to study and prepare for your exam without any confusion. Thank you. And do not forget to subscribe to our channel and push the bell icon so that you can get all the latest updates and notifications.